Welcome to my brief presentation on transparent data transformation. In order to bridge the traditional schism between OLTP and OLAP, recent research has proposed a number of variations of the fractured mirrors approach, where two versions of the data are needed. What if we could actually have the benefits of both without the need to store and maintain two copies of data? There would be no need to have two systems and no need to convert any data. Motivated by this, we are working on a near memory data transformation engine that is capable of fetching only the desired bytes from a memory array, essentially supporting near data projection. We do this through an abstraction called ephemeral variables. Consider that our table has a number of columns, but our query only focuses on 3 of them. An ephemeral variable is an array that tricks the CPU into believing that there is a projection of these 3 columns once initiated and appropriately configured. Then, when the code accesses the ephemeral variable, the custom hardware machinery is triggered and the packed version of the desired data is generated and shipped through the memory hierarchy with no cache pollution and no performance penalty. Our prototype outperforms both row store and column store baselines because the row store fetches a lot of unnecessary data and the column store has to pay the cost of tuple materialization. On the short term, we have a few technical challenges to overcome, including handling multiple concurrent queries and compression. In the big picture, this hardware opens up several fundamental questions. What type of physical design we need now that we can get any layout for free? How is the query processing being altered now that we may have index on base row oriented data and any group of columns always available to us? How should query optimization work? Our broader vision includes integrating this design into a memory controller. We're actually working with Red Hat on that in order to simplify the overall data systems architecture and bridge once and for all the OLAP OLTP gap. Down the road, we're also considering how to take this idea in the storage layer with smart SSDs, but also in multidimensional data, where, for example, near memory tensor slicing can help accelerate machine learning workloads.